building itself is finished, so the shell of the building and sort of interior fit is finished in so much as, you know, the walls are done, the floor's done, the painting's all been done, but we're still to finish installing some of the interpretation, which is currently lying packaged on the floor. The windows have made such a huge difference. You come in and you're not coming into a bird hide, which is what it was originally. It was a glorified bird hide. It was a beautiful bird hide, but it was a dark building with little viewing slots looking out to the birds. Now, it's really obvious you're in a forest. You're right within it. You can look out across the bog woodland here, and then we've got sort of bigger, older pines out the front, and yeah, it's a real visitor centre in the forest now, which is fantastic. Straight out from the centre, through the fabulous bifold doors, out here on the decking, out in the forest. Eventually there'll be a few chairs and tables, people will be able to buy a coffee and a sandwich, come and sit out here. Hopefully the sun will shine, but if the sun isn't shining, then we're going to have some cover as well, so it's going to be good. Can't wait. People will be able to sit in the forest, and I mean, how relaxing is that going to be? It's just going to be brilliant. We were progressing really well with the builders. We're doing, you know, getting on with their work. Lockdown happened sort of middle of March, and we were due to open on the 1st of April. So it was down tools, builders left, and yeah, obviously the site was closed. So it was frustrating, but in the grand scheme of things, it was manageable. We're really hopeful that lockdown has made people really appreciate how important nature is. How, you know, we're not separate to nature, we're part of nature, we need nature. I know that sounds a bit hippy-dippy, but it's really true. So yeah, we really hope that next year we'll be able to open as normal and we'll be able to welcome a lot of new friends, new visitors, people who can come and discover the wonderful habitat of the Caledonian pine forest for themselves. And we cannot wait. It's going to be so emotional having people come through that door. Just being able to welcome people again is going to be amazing. And to this, I mean, it would have been incredible anyway, but to this new, fabulous building, yeah, can't wait. I keep dreaming about it, imagining what it's going to be like. So yeah, it's going to be good.